Niall O'Reilly, Managing Director of Zero Grazer. We're a company in existence this 12 years, specialising in the concept of zero grazing and producing machinery for that. Brought up on a small dairy farm in County Cavan, and I suppose fragmentation, one of the big issues in dairy farming in all of Ireland, no matter if you were milking 20 cows or 200 cows. So crossing the road or walking the road with cows would have been a normal sight to be seen. The hassle of it, the traffic issues, the safety aspect of it. There's always something born out of necessity, and it was get out of dairy farming or look at the options, and I suppose that's where zero grazing was an option for us. Our original machine was sourced on the continent, tended to be on the small size. I could see the benefits it was offering the family farm at home. The logistic nightmare of getting the cows off the road, that was a massive saving in terms of just peace of mind. But then the cost saving benefits were there to be seen. There was reduced concentrate feeding, there was reduced fertiliser bills, the quality of milk improved from a protein and butterfat perspective. It was a win-win situation. The concept was going to work in Ireland, and there's where the whole company was born out of. So from day one I knew we had to manufacture our own machine. I had all the groundwork done, I had the hard work done as regards the benefits of the concept, what it could offer a man milking 20 cows or what it could offer a man milking 200 cows. The benefits were the same, but the machine was completely different, and the market had nothing there to suit that man milking 150, 200 cows. So from day one, if I wanted to be a success, I had to make my own machine, and that's what brought us here today. We've been manufacturing this last 8-9 years. The whole manufacturing process, stage one, steel being delivered and put on a racking system. From there it's fed through to the saw, chassis are cut, measurements are taken. All drawings would be conducted on solid work packages with our engineer. Drawings sent out onto the floor. So as the machine is moved out from the saw, it's put into what we call our jig. The machine is built there, moves into a turntable where our operators weld the machine. It's moved into its final process of fabricating at the lower end of the shed. From there it's moved down to our sandblasting unit. The machine has a paint process of it's sandblasted, it's oven baked, and then we apply 2-pack paint. It's probably a 2-day process. From there it's moved up here behind me to our assembly shed, and where our other operators finish off, put together, put on mowers, floor chains, wheels, and ready for delivery. You're looking at a kind of a 5-6 stage process from start to finish. Every day we try to improve here. We never say we have the ideal product or the finished product. The day you say you have the ideal product is the day you stop. The one thing about this country is we get a lot of rain. We would have been originally working on a small type of a tyre, but as you moved into the bigger machines you needed bigger tyre sizes. So that is something there. We offer I think 4 or 5 different tyre setups. Most of the machines out there in the market were built around a drum mower, 2 different options, a 6-foot or a 7-foot option. Through determination and experience and good research, I'm proud to say we're the only company worldwide that have developed a 8.5-foot disc cut option. When we started all them years ago, we were a very small company, but there was one thing we always had was a serious service. We always had the part, and we'd always do whatever it took to get a man up and running. It was as important as the milking machine. If there was cows roaring to get grass, you had to get grass one way or the other. So that might have been an early morning or a late night, and our customers can vouch for that. Again, that stood to us, and it brought us to where we are today. We're always looking for continuous improvement, be it from our manufacturing process to what we can offer out on site to a dairy farmer from the knowledge we've gained down through the years. We're selling efficiency here. Yes, it's a machine that's made of steel and it's on wheels and it has a mower in the front that cuts grass, but it's a machine that gives efficiency at farm level. The biggest challenges we had this last 12 years was convincing people the concept worked. We've proven that, and for the next 12 years, and please God, way beyond that, zero grazing will become the norm throughout Ireland and further afield.